Hi, Cardinals. This is your assignment of the day. Okay, you will be making another Pictionary book. Okay, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to read your book again, The Spelling Bee. Okay, you're going to read this book. Remember that when we start reading our book, we first should be looking at the focus question, which is, what is the lesson of this story? So we want to think about that when we're reading. What is the lesson? What did we learn from the plot of this story? Something that we learned. So you want to think about that when you are reading. The next thing that you want to do is you want to read your book. Remember that your words to know, which are here, you have the definitions of those words to know in the back. Okay, they tell you if the words are nouns, verbs, or adjectives. And your words to know are always going to be in bold letters. Okay, so that is how you know that that is one of your words to know. So what you're going to do, the first thing, you are going to read your book either out loud by yourself, following along with your finger, or with a partner. It's up to you, whatever you prefer. After you read your book, this example of mine will be on my desk. Now remember, this is the second time that we've done this assignment. The first time it was kind of difficult for us, so we're going to see if this time it's a little bit easier. So remember that this is my example. It's from a different book, so you cannot copy down my words from my example, okay? This is my example, and I just wanted to show you what you need to do. So the first thing that you need to do is you're going to get your folded piece of paper, which will already be folded for you, and it's going to look like this, okay? This is what your paper is going to look like. So you're going to get this folded piece of paper. On the first page, on the cover page, you will put my Pictionary book. So it's almost like the word dictionary, but it's with a P for Pictionary, okay? And you see that it says by. I'm the author of this Pictionary book, but you are going to be the author of your Pictionary book. So you want to put your name here. So you're going to put by, and then you're going to write your name. On the bottom here, I want you to write the title of this book. What is this book's name? Okay, what is the title of this book? So I want you to write that on the bottom right here. Write the title of the book and underline your title just like I underlined this here. Okay, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to look at your words to know. So these are your words to know. You have apology, caterpillar, fail, nervous, spelling bee, and win. So on your Pictionary book, you have your cover page here, which we already talked about. On this first page, you're going to put your first word. So your first word is apology. So you're going to write the word apology. You're going to draw a picture of what you think apology means. And then down here, like I did in my example right here, you're going to explain what an apology is. So I did this with a different word, but I wanted you to see right here how I did this. So I drew my picture here of what my vocabulary word was. I put a label in my picture, which I expect you to do in your pictures. And I wrote what exactly this word is about. Okay? So you can either write a sentence with your vocabulary word, or you can write a definition. I call them kid-friendly definitions. So what is your definition of that word? If another kid had to pick up your Pictionary book, would they understand the word looking at your Pictionary book? So that's what I want you to do. I want you to write a sentence with your vocabulary word or write the definition. and see how I underlined my vocabulary word, and I want you to do the same thing. So you're going to take a look at your words to know. The first word, like I said before, we have our cover page, is the word apology. You're going to write the word apology and underline that word. You're going to make a you're going to draw a picture here and write your sentence or definition down here. Your picture should have labels. The second page of your book will have the second word to know, caterpillar. So you're going to draw or write the word caterpillar. Draw what you think a caterpillar is, and then write your definition or a sentence with that word using a kid-friendly definition. Your third word is the word fail. So you're going to put the word fail. You're going to draw what you think that is, write a sentence or the definition of your word. Don't forget to put labels in your Pictionary book. On the other side, you will have two spaces. Right here, because this is going to be your cover page, right? So you're going to have two spaces. So we're going to have to leave one of the words out, okay? So you can choose, I'm going to do the words in order, but you can choose whichever word you would like to leave out because we have 6 words to know and we only have 5 spaces. Okay, so you get to choose whichever word you're going to leave out of your Pictionary book. So your next word would be nervous. Let's say that you chose the word nervous from your words to know. You would write the word nervous. Draw something or someone that you think looks nervous, and then you would write a sentence or the definition, and the same thing with your last chosen word on the other side. Remember that you're using your words to know. You're not using any other words, okay? This is to help you because you already have a definition of that word in the back. So what I want you to do is I want you to either make your own definition, what I call a kid-friendly definition, or write your own sentence with that word to show me that you understand that word, okay? My example will be up here on my desk, but remember that my example is only to look at if you have an extra doubt. But my words are different than your words because my book was a different book, okay? So again, if you have doubts, watch this video again, come look at my example, ask another cardinal, or do all of the above and repeat, okay? All right, good luck. Have fun.